Okay. That's pretty cool. It does what it says it's supposed to do, right? I don't know if it's worth getting it though. Alright, so we just got the extra in the mail. We're gonna check it out. Let's unbox it. By the way, I'm recording this voiceover after I recorded the video, so it's gonna be a little out of sync, but that's okay. And here it is, XREAL the One. I got the One, I didn't get the Pro. I figured that's the most affordable one for most people like myself, so yeah. It's a really nice box, by the way. It has a really cool color glistening effect. Really nice. And you know, I was gonna cut it, but then I realized I actually don't have to. It has one of those peel off tape thingies, which actually is really nice. Makes it an easier experience. Like that. And they actually sit off really nicely as well. Very Apple-y, to be honest. Yeah, and there it is, the XREAL One. Not the Pro, just the One. Looks good. Look at that leather material. I think it's leather. I don't know if it's faux leather, but really nice anyways. Sorry if I sound awkward. I don't really do these often. But yeah, here's some extra stuff. It just has, you know, the manual instruction. And ooh, it comes with microfiber cloth. Nice. Nothing else in there. Here's the little nose pads, small and large. I believe the extra already has the mediums. And I don't know what that thing is there that just fell, but whatever. Let's put all that aside. Move that little thingy over there. And little zoom in onto the XREAL. Boom. XREAL Glasses. Let me show you around it. Let's open it up. Things falling apart, but that's okay. Oh, sorry. Alright. Little USB-C cable to connect directly to the source, I guess, like your iPhone or something. Let me peel that off, peel that, and peel that. Yeah, looks good. I like it. It looks like real glasses, actually. Now, obviously, there's like mini glasses in the real glasses. You see right there? Let me peel that off, actually, too. All right. Looks good. I actually like the way it looks. Obviously, it's gonna look a little protruding, but other than that, it looks nice. I like the aesthetic of it. Here's a real red button, some other buttons, speaker, grill, the logo, and that's where the USB-C goes. All right, I'm excited. I think we should try it on. Let's do that. Let's clean up. There you go. Let's do it. Let's try it on. This is the first time I'm actually using glasses like this. I've never tried the types of glasses before. I know there's been other XREAL models, but I haven't done it myself, so let's give it a shot. Okay. They really stick out from the face, so they're not like flat glasses, but rather protrude a bit, and that makes sense because that's how you can see the screens in the first place. Pretty comfortable. I can kind of see the reflection of my body, like it reflects, and it might be because of the lights. But let's try on the actual feature of it, which is seeing the screens in front of you. So let's give that a shot. Got a little Mac here. We're gonna try it with that. I believe that's how it works. I don't know if you have to turn it on or anything. Oh, I see text. Hello. Press the X button for next. Okay. So. Oh. Oh yeah, now I can kind of see the world around me. So it has something called electrochromic dimming, so that lets you see more of the outside world or less of the outside world. So that's pretty cool. Gotta say, the clarity is pretty good. Pretty high quality. It's right now it's in follow mode. I think I have to press the X and it'll anchor. Okay, cool. So it's right there in the middle. It does cut off a bit. The moment you even move a little bit, the moment you move your head just a bit, it's already cutting off, but it is staying in place. I do have to say it's staying in place. Maybe I have to bring it closer. But the latency is good. It doesn't have any latency at all. Looks really good, actually. It's pretty interesting. I mean, it does what it says it's supposed to do, right? I don't know if it's worth getting it though. I might say I prefer a Quest experience because it doesn't cut off the edges. Every time I move it, the edges cut off, so that is a bit surprising. Let me put it back into its place. Now it's anchored. It anchors really well, actually. It doesn't really move at all. It just feels really It's like a very limited experience. I don't think I like that. I mean, it's cool. Don't get me wrong, it is super cool. I just wish it didn't cut off as much. That'd be better. That'd be nice. But the resolution's really nice. It has a nice resolution. Everything's pretty clear and easy to read. I'm looking at small text like the URL in Safari. Definitely runs a lot smoother than using something like the Quest or anything like that. All right, guys, that's it. Sorry, it was kind of a basic video today. I'll do better next time. Either way, that's what I thought. That was my real first impressions, and I hope you guys liked it. It might have been a little bit of a hot take, a little bit controversial. I know a lot of people love it. I see why people like it. I see the appeal. I don't know if it's for me. I'll just keep seeing what comes next after that as well. Be on the lookout. I'm gonna keep posting videos probably every Friday. I don't know yet. I don't know what day it's gonna be, but probably every Friday. And if you liked what you saw, please like the video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys around. Thanks for watching.